Today I'll be showing you how I created this Frankenstein inspired look. The first product that I'm using is the black metallic hairspray, and I'm only spraying that on the front portion of my hair. And then I'm taking the loose stitches and applying it with a spirit gum adhesive. This will allow any prosthetic you use it with to be budge proof all day long. And now I'm taking some Pros-Aid cream to make the edges look super smooth and making the stitches look like they're coming straight from your skin. And then going in with a foundation much lighter than my skin tone to even everything out. And now I'm taking the black detail pencil to fill in my eyebrows. And I love this pencil because no matter what you use it for on the face, it will not transfer. I'm now going in with my own eyeshadows to give me that Frankenstein look, and then taking that black detail pencil to go over my waterline. And now using Spirit's gel blood to stipple into my stitches and drag down onto my skin. And I love the gel's formula because it stays in place as long as you need it to. Alright, and now that the face is all finished, the last step is to throw on the black cloak to complete the look.